Welcome to Royal Air Systems Incorporated, where your home comfort is our top priority. Thank you for choosing Royal Air Systems to install your new home comfort system. Here's what to expect during the installation process. Before we can order your equipment, we will need to get a copy of your signed contract and finalize your payment terms with your home comfort consultant or any of the staff at Royal Air Systems. Our team leaves the office between 7:30 and 8 o'clock and heads straight to your home. Please clear all work areas and ensure any other contractors have been coordinated with our arrival. Your installation crew will protect your home with drop cloths and be sure to clean up each night during your installation. A service tech will start your system when the installation crew is finished. Rose will prepare your packet, warranties, rebate paperwork, and more. She will also need your most recent gas and electrical bills for your rebate applications. You will be contacted to schedule the town inspections. You must be present for the inspection to occur. After the gas and electrical inspections are done, we will coordinate your final building permit inspection. A Royal Air team member will be there. Thanks again for choosing Royal Air Systems. We are proud to serve your home and your family.